Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Y'all see what it is? Y'all see what it is, okay? Or what it is. What's up? Y'all see what it is? I got on my lick back shirt, okay? Lick back shirt activated. Y'all, we getting our lick back, okay? Yes. Here to get our lick back. I told my mom this time I'm not talking. I'm only going to do my intro. I'm going to see how y'all day was. And I'm getting straight into the video, okay? Why? Because I think my downfall is that I talk too much sometimes. So this time, y'all, I'm doing no talking, okay? Straight getting my lick back. Are y'all ready? Cheers. Oh, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I so appreciate y'all. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. And thank you for commenting as well. I appreciate y'all. Welcome to It's Simply Nikki. And welcome back to those who have been following me. I also appreciate y'all as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Oh, happy Vlogmas Day 19. Yay! Didn't even have to ask nobody this time, y'all. I remembered. Pat myself up on the back. Let's get into it. Uh-oh. 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 Hold up. I ain't never had that happen, y'all, since I've been doing this challenge. Look at me like I've been doing it every day. Oh, this right here is only my second time doing a bottle, y'all. All right. No talking, y'all. Straight into it. Comment down below, y'all thoughts. Do y'all think that I'm going to beat this challenge? Y'all know I put on my lick back shirt when I did the ginger ale, the can, and I won. But I've never tried to drink an entire bottle. No burping, y'all. Okay? Let's get into it. Oh, help me. Oh. Yeah, I should have kept going. Woo! That break messed me up bad. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh, I'm so mad. Oh, I'm so mad. I got down. I did get a little further than the last time, though. Woo! Oh, my goodness. Y'all, let me tell y'all how when I be burping, right? Give me a second, y'all. Because sometimes, y'all, when I get to burping, it literally takes everything out of me. Let me tell y'all how when I be burping, my uvula, I think that's what it's called, the uvula, the little dangly thing that's swinging the back of your throat. As Cardi B says, y'all, I promise y'all, it feels like it be moving. I'm gonna tell y'all why. Because it be a little sore while I'm burping, and then it's not no more when I'm done. But y'all, I think it be moving. Oh my gosh, I should have buttoned up my shirt, y'all. I should have got my lick back the right way, y'all. I didn't come buttoned up. The last time I came, y'all, my shirt was buttoned up. I was ready to get my lick back, y'all. Round 2. And I didn't even get my lick back, y'all. Oh my gosh. Somebody told me in my comments, I seen with somebody comment down below. Y'all, I wish I knew who it was, and I don't. But I'm definitely going to pin them right here, y'all. Asked me to do the Coke challenge, okay? I do have a Coke. Well, asked me to do the challenge with a Coke. Put it that way, not the Coke challenge. There's no such thing as the Coke challenge. But hey, your girl may start a trend, you know? But y'all, I do have a Coke, but it's a canned Coke. It's not a bottle Coke, and it's a vanilla Coke. But if y'all want me to run that, let me know. Oh my gosh. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse your girl, okay? Whew. But yes, y'all, I promise y'all, it literally takes everything out of me. Sometimes, y'all, my eyes be watering too. Oh my gosh. Y'all want to try to finish it. I do. But I know I'm not going to be able to. I know that for sure, y'all. Oh my gosh, help me. Cheers. But did y'all see though? I did get down further than what I got down the last time. Y'all see? I did get down to right here. At first, the first time I was literally I had to lift up this right here to show y'all the label, to show y'all how far I got down. But I think I did pretty decent. I think so. Y'all, that's it. I ain't gonna be able to finish it. I know I'm not gonna be able to finish it. I might as well put the top of on there. Y'all, we gonna call this defeat. Okay? For now. Because y'all know how I am. And y'all know I don't like losing. I told y'all this before. I'm very competitive. Okay? I think I'm going to run this back again. One more time. I think I'm going to do one more time. Okay? 3 times. Then I'll strike out. But I'm definitely going to run this Sprite again, y'all. Because I don't like being defeated. And I feel like if I could make it to this point, I could finish it. You know? I feel like I can. I have faith in me. I feel like I can. Y'all, I keep on looking at this bottle, y'all, because I cannot believe that I literally let it defeat me twice. With my lick back shirt on. I came prepared and I got defeated. I don't like it. Alright, y'all. But that is it for the video, okay? So, y'all, until we chat again. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas. Y'all, I will not be doing the Sprite challenge tomorrow. But I might bring on that Coke, though. But Coke is so strong, y'all. When I say Coke is so strong, I haven't had a Coke in years. Mind y'all, I don't even be drinking soda. Woo! And see, this right here normally be happening, y'all, when the video is off. After I do my outro, y'all, this is when I normally, all my burps start coming out, y'all. I promise y'all that. I think that was it. I think we're done for now. Okay? So, y'all, what I was about to say before my burp interrupted me. Excuse me, by the way. Y'all, Coke is very strong, and I haven't had a soda in a long time, y'all. I normally I just started drinking sodas so I can do the challenge, y'all. I'm not, consuming a bunch of sodas, of course. Trying to keep my face pretty. Yes, y'all, because face been looking great, okay? Y'all, let me stop talking. I'm going to see y'all in the next one, okay? But comment down below and let me know if y'all want me to do, I guess, the Sprite challenge with a Coke. Let me know. But keep in mind, I only have the canned Coke and I only have Coke vanilla. But y'all, until we chat again, until we vibe again, until I see y'all in tomorrow's Vlogmas for a new video. Bye.